on a 2017 on Jeep Wrangler. We're gonna do the cabin filter. Got 2 rubber tabs. Basically your glove box falls out. Cabin filter's hiding behind that guy there. So what you need to do, there's a little door under there. I'm gonna turn this to the off position. You're gonna see that guy. Give him a second. And that's where your filter is. Oh, we got a little tab right here. Just kind of flip it. Looks like there's another one. Of course, doesn't look like there's much room to get that one over. So, this is a little dude, huh? I'll pull that out. And because of lack of room, we're going to slide that second one. Just slide it over. Pull that guy out. So, got airflow indication on your new ones. And the blower motor's underneath this, so air is pushing up. Put that first one in. Kind of slide it over there. Looks like he's in there. And get his brother in there. Slipping right on in there. Yep. There you go. And then you can hide them. So you got these 2 little slats for the bottom lip of the glove box. Goes in there on both of those. There you go.